Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to create Google Forms. So for that, open your Google Chrome and here type google.com. And once you're signed in to the Google, just click on this right corner. You will find Google Apps and scroll down or click on this Google Forms and I'll just maximize it. Now, once you do that, there will be a lot of templates which you can create like quiz, contact information, RSVP, party invitation, or t-shirt sign up. So you can always click on this blank sign or you can select the template gallery right here. You have this information, contact information like that. So I'll select the blank one here. And once you click on that blank, here you can mention the name. So I'll type its company name and here you can give a description. I'll just mention XYZ and here you can enter the question. So you can mention like this, like name, the multiple choice. At the top right corner, you have this short answer or in paragraphs or multiple choice, check boxes or drop down. So since it's a name, I'll select short answer. And here there's an option called required. That means if you turn this on, then it will be a mandatory to fill and submit the form. So once it is done, you can click on this plus sign right here to add more question like your email address. Again, it will be short answer and you can turn this required form on and then you can click on this add question again. And here you can type any question which you like. So here you can select multiple choice. So I'll select the multiple choice. Option 1 will be yes. And add options. So I'll select no, which is automatically right here. So once you're done with this Google form, at the top right corner, you have customized theme. So you can click here and choose the image for the header. Let's say if I select work and school, I get many options. I'll just select this one and I'll click on insert. And from here, you can change the theme color. You can change the background color and you can change the font style. I'll select the playful one. So it will look like this. To submit, from here, you can send it to email. You can create a link. You can copy this link and share it with your members or students. So creating a link is easier. You can keep it yourself. You can send that email later with the link. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.